Emorobado wakobeja. Today's adage is obara-Urhobo. Ada ofiboke ore yo. Obara-Urhobo. Ada ofiboke ore yo. What does this mean? Is it that whatever that is demanding blood, if you offer that thing, oil, oil and blood, they look alike, but they are not same. Say that whatever that is demanding blood, that is wanting blood, if you give something, an oil, it will never take it. When do you use such adage? When someone is stepping on a toe, you tell him, what shall I know? Obara-Urhobo. Ada obi bokoli ore. When someone tells you that whatever that you see that you are doing that the person does not like, you just stop it. Or you do? Well, you stop it because the person is trying to say that I'm going to strike and strike so hard. So, in order to avoid problem, when you hear someone tells you, means that what you are doing to me is getting to my neck, and I will still strike and strike so foolishly hard. So in order for you not to blame me later on, please stop whatever you are doing to me and let there be peace. Patatani, obara-Urhobo. Ada ofiboke ore yo.